with KeyDigital Systems here. I'm here with Jameson Christian from Cabling Innovations here in Nashville, Tennessee, and we are at eSpaces. And if you don't know what eSpaces is, Jameson, tell us a little bit about eSpaces, and then we'll talk a little bit about what you guys have been doing with it.
eSpaces is a company that buys a building out and basically rents out some of their smaller offices and has common areas like this conference room right here for the others to be able to utilize. With this partner, we've worked on multiple locations, 4 here in Nashville, 1 in Orlando. As far as what they needed in their spaces is basically what you're seeing behind us right now is wireless presentation capabilities. Also conferencing rooms, small huddle rooms, but all of the AV over IP systems that we install here, all through my good friend Dwayne here with KeyDigital.
Well, eSpaces, if I'm not mistaken, they rent not just rooms this size, but even smaller conference rooms, even larger conference rooms. And in a post-COVID world, not everybody has conference rooms. Not everybody even has offices sometimes anymore. So many people working remotely. They need a quick space to do a meeting or something like that. One of the main things that they've utilized that I've noticed through all your orders, thank you very much, is our BYOD 4K, which is our wireless presentation gateway. Matter of fact, what you see running behind us here, just a little slideshow on an iPad running wirelessly, casting to the BYOD for this room.
Oh, it's incredibly applicable for most situations, and all of my clients really love this device.
Well, we do like to make it very easy to use, and you can do PC, Mac, iOS, Android, and Chrome devices all at the same time. 4 presenters on the screen at one time, 16 connections. Also has markup capability and whiteboard capability, so you can turn any screen into a whiteboard. So, Jameson, we appreciate everything that Cabling Innovations has done here with eSpaces. You guys have done a great job. You guys need to check out eSpaces. So thank you, Jameson, for everything you guys do.